In this video, I am going to show you my CV. If you guys want me to build your CV, just drop your email address in the comment line. I make CV just for $10. If you want to get Word file, so that you can enter your details by yourself, then it will cost you just $5. Here is the Word file. You can edit and add your details. For example, if you want to edit this summary portion, you can edit it like this. You can also add your picture here. You can just make your resume using this editable file. You can also contact me on Fiverr. My ID on Fiverr website is engr.niazi91. Thanks for watching.